Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Have you tried the Bengali kosha mangsho? It's an extremely popular recipe. Today I am cooking my mom's recipe according to her instructions. It's nice to have her in my kitchen. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. So dry roast some cumin seeds, a piece of cinnamon, peppercorns, clove and green cardamom. That's done. Grind the roasted spices along with some khaskhas to a fine paste. Poppy seed and spice paste. A large potato cut into 4 pieces and parboiled. Some thinly sliced onions, ginger and garlic to be ground to a fine paste. That's the onion paste. A large tomato cut into chunks. This is about 500 grams of mutton. I'm using boneless mutton today. Raw papaya, which acts as a tenderizer. Peel the skin and add it into the cooker. Pressure cook the mutton till it's done. The mutton is cooked 15 minutes after the first whistle on medium heat. Discard the papaya, that's done its job. Take out the mutton pieces into a bowl and reserve the water in which it was cooked. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the parboiled potatoes. Fry the potatoes till they are golden on the outside. This is my mother's recipe that I am cooking and she insisted that I use a metal pan. They are done. Let's take them out. In the same pan, add in the sliced onions. Fry them till they are lightly colored. Add in about a teaspoon of sugar. Once the sugar caramelizes, it will add to the color. Add in the onion paste. Cook this till the oil starts separating. This is looking good. Add in the tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are decently grated, add in some turmeric powder and some red chili powder and cook it for a minute or two on medium heat. The oil has started separating once again. Let's add in the poppy seed and spice paste. All that is left to do is to keep cooking the masala till the oil starts separating and the masala is really well cooked. So that is how it looks. Add in the mutton pieces. Cook the mutton in the masala for 5 to 7 minutes so that all the flavors are married into the meat. Add in the potatoes. The potatoes are the star of the dish. They soak in all the spices and the flavors of the meat and are really enjoyed by everyone. Cook this for some more time. Time to add in the mutton stock or the water in which the mutton was boiled. Season it with salt and let it come to a boil. Now that's boiling away. We let it cook for a while and let the gravy reduce slightly and thicken. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. That looks done. The gravy has thickened and the meat has become nice and tender. That's ready. And finally, serve the kosha mangsho hot with luchi, paratha or rice. It's finger licking good. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.